All right, here's your video explanation for your escape room. So some of you have already done this and some of you have not, but let's go through how to do an escape room. So we're going to complete our first one. They're super fun way to review the concepts we've learned. They can be a little frustrating, but don't give up. I know you can do it. Watch this video to learn how. If you clicked this link, you know what you're doing, or you've at least read those instructions. So when you click the PDF, it's going to bring up a sheet that looks like this. The first thing you're going to do is click this sheet right here, and it's going to bring you up to this right here. So your mission objective. During a field trip to a coal mine, a power surge caused all the lights to go out, and now your whole class is lost. In order to escape the mine, you must use your knowledge of natural resources to make it back to the exit. Answer the questions at each level and be sure to record each answer. Once all 4 questions have been answered, use the decoder to progress to the next level. You must hurry to reach the exit before your class runs out of food and water. So when you click it, it's going to ask you, it comes up, there's 5 different levels. You're going to have to enter the 4-digit code here. So when you answer your questions, it's like this right here. So here are level 1's questions. There are 4 of them. So you're going to answer the question. For example, level 1, question 1 says, what type of natural resource can be replenished over time? Your answers are renewable resources, non-renewable resources, industrial resources, or fossil fuels. We should have learned from our lecture already and the reading that we've done that renewable resources can be replenished naturally over time. So I know the answer to number 1 is A. But this doesn't ask for A, B, C, D, it asks for digits. So we must take or decode the digit. So we know that the answer is A, so we're going to take our mouse and we're going to trace the line right here and see what digit A codes for. So we follow this line all the way, and A codes for 4. So the first digit of your code would be a 4. If you go back, then you answer question number 2, what is a non-renewable resource? Your options are A, a resource that has already been used, B, a resource that is infinitely abundant, C, a resource generated at a rate at which it is much faster than it is used, or D, a resource generated at a rate that is much slower than it is used. So D here should be our answer. So we go back here to D, follow the code, follow, and D is a 1. If you continue on with that, you would eventually get a code that looks like this, and then you click next and it'll let you keep going. You'll make your way all the way through. At the very end, there's a slide that says congratulations, and you will take a screenshot of that to turn it in for credit today. Each level comes with a different decoder, so like this is level 2's. That means that if you get an A and you're on level 2, the number you put in is 5, B a 4, C an 8, or D a 1. If you look at level 3 is a little bit more difficult. So if you're answering question number 1 and you say your answer is A, we would know that a heart equals 6. But say your answer is actually D, we would know that a spade or a club equals a 5. So for each question, the numbers differ. So if I was on question 3 and my answer was C, it would be a diamond, or 2. Level 5, the way you decode this, you have to add across to get your answers. So 3 plus 2 equals A, 3 plus 2 equals 5, so A must equal 5. 5 plus 4 equals B. 5 plus 4 equals 9, so 9 must equal B. And so on. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please email me.